Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about the US dollar index, NAS100, as well as the gold markets. Okay. So on the DX price, we can see we have finally put in the low, we could say. Oh, sorry, I've already marked down the charts. But anyways, I'll just go through quickly. You can see the market give us this push down and then instant up move, sharp, creating this V shape. Okay, so this is how we want to see the market put in its low, or showing us the signs of a possible reversal to the opposite direction. So in this case, me, I've been long awaiting this move, the upside. Okay. So now we are at this other block right here, the other block that was responsible for the break of these structures. Okay, so now, yes, I'm still waiting to see if the market will hold this level right here. If these levels can hold this level around the 102 620 levels, 102 620 levels, 102 800, let me just say 102 800 levels. If we can hold these levels without having a 4 hour candle close above the 102.8 level, then I'll remain bearish. But as soon as we get a closer above the 102 800 level, I am no longer bearish on the dollar. Automatically switch bullish, and my next target will be 103 500 levels, 104.00 levels. Okay, but as for now, as I'm speaking, I'm still bearish. Okay, I'm still bearish on the dollar. So just take the 1 hour, bearish on the dollar. So any bearish setup that we will see on the dollar trading up into this 102 102 800 levels, I will be looking for those sorts on the DXY. Although the market can still push up, you can still push up all the way into 103 levels, and then boom, before we can get a drop. This is also a possibility. But as if we get that, like I said, if we get that close above the 102 800, I'm a switch bullish. Yes, I will be bullish. This pullback will only be a retest, probably to either these levels before we can go all the way up. Okay, so these were the DXY. Nothing really much. Just waiting to see for the price to show me where to next. And okay, now let's check the next PVTs. Okay, that's 100. That's 100. This one I'm bullish. I'm still bullish on this thing. So on this thing, just waiting to see what the DXY did. Like yesterday, I saw that the last 100 and the DXY, they were moving in the same direction, but most of the time they always move in the opposite direction, especially at the US market open. But yesterday they were both bullish, so that's a sign for me that this last 100, it's not gonna drop anytime soon. It's gonna keep going up. So as for this one, I'm waiting to see if it can come maybe below around these levels, around the 14,500 levels, around these levels, 14,500 levels. Then from here, I'll look for buys, targeting this imbalance in this 15,200 levels. So there's nothing much on this one also. It's simple. We just wait because as we can see the market was has been creating this high, then it put in a sweep, then it gave a market structure shape, then it started trading sideways, putting in this low, and then the low was taken by these candles, and then putting in the intermediate low, then a lower low, and then we retested this order blocks here, and that's why the market is reacting now. You get this block, this drop. Now we don't know how much this drop can go. So we have this, but we have this imbalance here, which we can work with. Plus we have the unmitigated order block we can also use to work with to see if we can get any reactions from these levels to take prices higher. Okay. But should these levels fail, should price just continue to melt, drop, and taking out these lows. Okay. If that may be the case and that may happen, then we will just wait for price to come into these levels and we start to look for our signs of reversal. As soon as we get, then boom, we will just take our trade setups here, then we'll buy from here. It's even going to give us a more bigger risk to reward ratio. Okay. With what everything that is happening now in the US markets, the BRICS and all those things, I think the stock market, especially the NAS100, they should not the stock but the tech, they should be trading higher. Okay. That's why I'm bullish on Nasdaq. I'll be we will be looking for buys on this thing. We'll be looking for buy. Let me just clean this up. Okay. So everything is clear on the Nasdaq. There's nothing really much to look out for. It's just to wait for the price to to give us a drop below the equilibrium, to give us discount prices. Then look for the buy setups. Don't force anything. You just wait. Then once it reaches your levels, you buy it. If it fails, if it fails to if it fails to to give you a setup, then you let it go. Then you wait for the next zone. Then you take it will give you a setup. Nasdaq will always give you a setup. Okay. So there's nothing much. Let's see if we can see something on the gold market. And this was the gold. This one I'm just looking for buys now. This one is just I'll be looking for buys. Can even maybe start today. If I get something, I'll also take buys. If we get something from these levels, clear setup on a lower time frame in the 5 minute, I can take a buy and put stop loss and just hold it and let it run. But should this level fail, and now see if we can get some sort of 5 minute setup also down to downside, and I'll scalp it all the way down into these levels. And once we reach this level, I'll again look for buys. The bigger picture is to look for the buys, for the buy setups. Sell setups will be riskier, but if it's clear, we'll go for it. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this short video. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and comment. What do you think? What's your view on the NAS 100? Out. See you in the next video.